So we're now working on getting the braces put together, and I had a little helper come out that wanted to be a part of it, and I'm glad that she is. So we're going to work on this together. You want to sit right here on this bar?
Yeah. Oh, then tied to this bar.
Is that big enough for your booty?
No.
It's not? No. You can sit right here, and I'll just turn over here and we can do it.
Okay.
Sit back down where you were.
My feet are not pushing in with
You want to hold these? Okay. That one? Thanks. Alright, hand it to me.
Here.
We're gonna go inside real quick, check on Mama Bubby. He was fussy, and probably make some lunch, eat some lunch. And then come out, and we are going to cut that purple foam board down to fit inside of the gunnels. So when we get back from lunch, we will pick you guys up. You ready to go eat lunch?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay, we just finished the front part of the foaming. So you want to show them what we did? Yeah. Okay. Why don't you hop in the boat? I'll turn the camera around so you can see. Show them what all we did. What color is all that?
Purple.
Purple. What color tape did we use?
Blue.
Blue. Yep. So we're going to go all the way down. We used that blue tape to just kind of seal the edges so no loose foam broke apart throughout the time we used it like this. So, all right, well, we're going to go in now and actually sit down and take a break like we talked about earlier. It's starting to kind of warm up a little bit here, and we're getting sweaty. So, and she needs to change out of her pajamas. It's almost 11, and she is still wearing her PJs. So, we're going to go in. We will come back out in just a little bit. Okay, y'all, we are back from lunch. We took longer than we should have, but we enjoyed some resting after we ate and watched a little TV, play with the kids a little bit. So now we are back outside. We are going to get the rest of the foam cut for the middle section here. And then I have had a change of plans up here on the very front. Instead of doing a solid sheet of board here and doing a hatch here and a hatch there, what I've decided now to do is we're just going to do a solid sheet of wood there for the platform. And across the front where she is sitting, where the board meets down there, runs across, we're going to put a piano hinge across the front. And then we're going to lay the board. We'll put some kind of attachment down here, That way we can raise the whole sheet of wood up and access this whole entire bottom part without having to worry about just going through two little hatches, because we're going to have life jackets under there, anchors, fishing stuff, first aid, anything you can think of that you need in the boat, we're going to have under there. I actually got that idea from MVB Outdoors here on YouTube. I will put a link to his channel down in the description. He does some really cool John boat builds as well. So some of my inspiration behind this has definitely came from him. So you guys make sure you go check out his page. Like I said, we will put his link in the description down below. So go give him some love and tell him we sent you over there to see his stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on getting the rest of this foam cut. Remy's just sitting in the boat playing with her dolls, just enjoying the weather today. So you guys stay tuned. Okay, so we got all the foam cut for the middle section, done for the front section as well. So now we are going to go on to cutting the wood for the flooring. Once we get it cut, we will take it and put a couple coats of this on it. You get it sealed. And then once we do that, we will let it dry, and then later this week install it. Mav's out here now. Maverick. Oh boy. He's out here hanging out. Mom's over here doing gardening stuff. Let's go see what she's doing. What are you doing? Okay, after a long drawn out time, I think that I figured out the angles that I need cut. So I'm from Berry Hill, so math's hard. What are you doing, baby? Okay, so that wasn't too bad. I only had to make a few trim cuts on it to get it to fit. It fits. But now, since we have decided to change plans and make it to where the whole front hatch lifts up, we're going to go ahead and get the braces and the rivets installed on the framework that I put in earlier. I had left them out at first because I thought that I was going to need to put some kind of solid flooring in. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to get some sort of adhesive tape and get the seams covered and we're going to go that route instead of trying to get a sheet of something in there to form to the contour of the boat. So we'll get the rivets, get the rivet gun out, get the drill out, and we'll get the braces put in now. Stay tuned. Turn to a square?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're recording, just point it at me.
I did it. I don't see myself.
Push the red circle.